Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Jeep Grand Cherokee navigation system. Gather the VIN, infotainment unit name, and current map version from settings, then download official update files to a USB drive formatted FAT32. Verify download integrity and prepare a second backup USB in case of errors. Park safely, keep the engine running, or use a stable power source. And follow the stepwise install prompts on the head unit to complete updates and reboot the system. Start by locating the exact update package for your infotainment unit on the manufacturer site, using your VIN if required. Download files to a reliable computer, confirm file names and sizes against the instructions, and never rename folders. Format a USB drive to FAT32, then transfer the entire update folder structure exactly as provided. Eject the drive safely and label it so you avoid. With the engine running and the parking brake on, insert the USB into the vehicle port and wait for the head unit to detect updates. Accept prompts, allow the process to run uninterrupted, and expect multiple reboots while the software installs. If progress stalls, note any error codes and retry with a freshly formatted drive or alternate USB port. After completion, verify map version in settings and test navigation routes for accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.